Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the optical drive, unlatch and remove the base cover from the system. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel. Identify the hard drive caddy and unplug the cables to remove the caddy from the system. Find the disk drive cage and disconnect the cables. Unlatch and slide the cage out of the system. Flip the cage over and disconnect the cables. Remove the cage from the system. Identify the power supply unit and unplug the cables. Remove the 3 screws to remove the unit from the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system. Install the 3 screws and reconnect the cables. Place the disk drive cage back in the system and reconnect the cables. Flip the cage over and slide it into place. Relatch the cage to the system and reconnect the cables. Place the hard drive caddy back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front bezel and base cover to the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.